OBE has launched a new budget-focused projector in China called the C3 Pro, following the recent debut of the Max variant. The projector carries a price tag of 1,175 yuan, around $172, and is currently available through JD.com. The C3 Pro comes with a built-in gimbal stand, which allows for up to 120 degrees of vertical tilt. This makes it possible to project images directly onto the ceiling from a bedside table without needing to prop the device up on other objects. The base of the stand also functions as a touch-controlled ambient night light, indicating it is designed to sit on a nightstand or side table. Weighing approximately 2.04 kilograms, about 4.5 pounds, and measuring 150 by 135 by 263 millimeters, the device is compact enough to be moved between rooms if needed. For its display capabilities, the C3 Pro outputs a native 1080p resolution with a brightness rating of 570 CVI lumens. It uses a fully sealed optical engine called the DaYanCheng OS, paired with an LCD panel developed in collaboration with TCL CSOT. The projector provides a 2800:1 contrast ratio and supports HDR10 as well as 4K video decoding. To help with the initial setup, the projector includes a time-of-flight (TOF) sensor and a full-color camera. These components enable automatic focus, keystone correction, obstacle avoidance, and wall color adaptation. Internally, the device is powered by an MT9 series processor, 1 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of storage. It runs on the DaYanCheng OS, which supports local media playback from USB drives, voice commands, and standard screen mirroring protocols like AirPlay, Miracast, and DLNA. For connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 and includes standard HDMI 2.0, USB 2.0, and 3.5mm audio ports. The projector also features a built-in 6W speaker that can operate as a standalone Bluetooth speaker when the display is off. It includes a low-latency mode for connecting gaming consoles like a PlayStation or Nintendo Switch. According to the manufacturer, the cooling fan operates at a noise level below 26 dB.